Prime Minister Modi addressed members of Non-Aligned Movement or NAM via video conferencing to discuss ways to strengthen battle against COVID-19. 120 developing countries from Asia, Africa and Latin America constitute the NAM.
Despite our own needs, we have ensured medical supplies to over 123 partner countries.
Terrorists struck Handwara in Jammu and Kashmir yet again, killing 3 Central Reserve Police Force personnel. The attack comes close on the heels of the killing of a colonel and a major in the same area. The Joint Secretary of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Love Agrawal, said restrictions should be called Easing Restrictions 2.0. The centre has eased restrictions in green and orange zones.
लॉकडाउन 3.0 ना बोलते हुए इसे ईजिंग आउट पॉइंट नंबर 2 बोल सकते हैं.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has warned people that if they don't adhere to social distancing, his government would withdraw relaxations. This comes after people flouted social distancing norms outside liquor shops.
अगर कहीं पे अब हमें पता चला कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग फॉलो नहीं हो रही, कहीं पे ठीक चीजें नहीं चल रही, तो फिर हमें उस एरिया को सील करना पड़ेगा. फिर जो हमने रियायतें दी हैं वो रियायतें हमें वापस लेनी पड़ेगी.
Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has called the Arogya Setu mobile application a privacy concern. He tweeted, "The government's requirement that the Arogya Setu app is now mandatory for all employees, public or private, raises serious privacy and data protection questions. COVID-19 must not become an excuse for creation of a surveillance state in India." The Jharkhand Health Department claimed the state has not reported a single COVID-19 case for the second consecutive day on Monday. The total cases in the state stand at over 100 cases. The central government will start bringing back Indians stranded abroad because of the COVID-19 pandemic from May 7th in phases. In a statement, the government said aircraft and naval ships will be arranged for their travel. Liquor Baron Vijay Mallya has sought permission from the UK High Court to move the Supreme Court against his extradition. Last month, the businessman lost his appeal against his extradition to India in the London High Court. After a conversation with former RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan, Rahul Gandhi will interact with Nobel laureate Abhijit Banerjee. The conversation will be about dealing with the economic fallout of the COVID-19 crisis, the Congress MP tweeted.